Hello, welcome back to Belle's Reading Corner, Reading E. Okay, today we are going to talk about the mouse and the magic bee. Once upon a time, there was a little mouse. "I'm so boring," he said. "I do not want to be me." Bees, buzz, a magic bee appeared. "I can help you," she said. "Awesome," said the mouse. "I want to be pink like a pig." "Okay," said the magic bee. Bees buzz. He made the mouse pink like a pig. "Awesome," said the mouse. "I want to have wings like a butterfly." "Okay," said the magic bee. Bees buzz. He gave the mouse wings like a butterfly. "Awesome," said the mouse. "I want to have a tail like a peacock." "Okay," said the magic bee. Bees buzz. He gave the mouse a tail like a peacock. "Awesome," said the mouse. "I want to be big like a bear." "Okay," said the magic bee. Bees buzz. He made the mouse big like a bear. "Awesome," said the mouse. "Now I just want a mirror." "Okay," said the magic bee. Bees buzz. She gave the mouse a mirror. The mouse took a look. "Not awesome," he squeaked. "I made a mistake. I just want to be me." "Okay," said the magic bee. Bees buzz. She made a mouse again. "Awesome," said the mouse. "I love being me." And he lived happily ever after. Thank you. So that is the reading for today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.